Sharing my screen. So yeah, myself, I'm Sunil. Today we'll speak about exception handling, try catch and throws keyword. Okay, yeah. So Sumant, is my voice is audible, Sumant?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so first, Sumant, today we'll go through all the examples. Okay, you know, uh, as possible, no, as possible, we'll see, lot. We'll try to cover, most of the examples in exception handling. Okay.
Done.
And we'll see the flow and various use cases. Okay. Yeah. See, I'll ask questions. You please answer that. Okay. Like, so I will ask a question. You'll answer if it is correct. Okay. If it is wrong, I will explain. Okay. How to correct it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
See, this is out. Line one. Yeah, guys, what is the answer for this?
Who should say?
Yes, Sumant, you said. You said. Rajabu.
Line. It will print line 11 and it will throw an error like arithmetic.
Yes, correct. See, line 11 and it is throwing an error. Okay, na?
Yes.
Okay. Now, uh, yeah. So, Jayashree, like, how to handle this? This arithmetic error. Hello.
Yeah, by using try catch block.
Yeah, in catch block, which exception I need to use? See, in catch block, which exception I should use here? Hello. Sumant, no, Jabu. In catch block.
Arithmetic exception.
Yeah. Why are you thinking, Jayashree?
Maybe Jayashree is not there.
No, no. Okay. See, it will stop the, and it will, so if you don't handle by using try catch, the program will stop abruptly. Okay. Uh, so to avoid that, we have handled the situation by using try catch. So if you observe here, you did not get any compilation error. Okay. At the compile time. Okay, Sumant?
Yes.
Zero is invalid. Okay. Okay, na?
Clear.
Clear, right? Now let me print here. Now, what is the answer, Sumant?
Mm, it will throw an error at line two. No, no, no. It will same.
So it will definitely come to catch block. Okay, division by 0 is invalid. That will also print. And line 11 will be printed and division by 0 is invalid will be printed. Now again 10 by 0 is error, right? 10 by 0 is
Yes.
runtime exception, right? So there is no try catch to handle that. Am I correct?
Yes, yes.
So the answer is line 11 division by 0 is invalid and runtime exception. Okay, na? So
Yes.
this line 22 won't be printed. Okay.
Yes.
See, okay, na? So this is some other use case. Okay. We haven't pasted earlier one. Okay. See, the earlier one is simple, right? You can practice, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So if I keep 10 by 2 here, 10 by 5.
You will get line 11 division by 0 is invalid and 2 and 22.
Ante, correct. Okay. Okay. Now tell me. This is very, very important, Sumant. Okay. Jayashree, you answer this. Jayashree, no. Respond, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, answer this.
Line 11, I am in try.
Okay.
Sorry. Line 11, division by 0 is invalid. 2 line 22.
Okay. So this line 10 will be printed or not?
It won't print.
Yeah, because in the line 9 itself, you are getting an arithmetic exception. So it will check, the JVU will check whether any catch block with arithmetic exception is there or not. So if it is matching, it will execute this block. Okay. So it won't come again to back. Okay. So this line 10 won't be executed. Okay. Okay, someone, you got it right?
Yes, got it.
So this is most of the students will confuse here actually. They will say line 10 and then line 12, 13, but it's not the case. Even in the try block, if you have an arithmetic exception, the lines below it are not executed. Okay.
If it is like 10, it will have some 20 by 0 also. Then
Where?
some,
No, division by 0, anything. 20 by 0, 30 by 0.
no. In 10, I am saying
Okay.
something other like 20 by 5. Then
No, even
it
it
won't
won't be.
execute anything.
It won't be anything. Any value. Okay.
Got it.
Okay. Chalo. See, interviews people will ask like this. Okay, na? See, I mean, try block is not coming. Okay. Okay, na?
Got it.
And now tell me. Okay. So, no people. Now, what is the answer now?
Line 11. Next, I am in division by 0 is invalid and 2, 22.
Jayashree, no chop Jayashree.
Line 11, then arithmetic exception.
Yes. See, Sumant, this line 8 is not the part of try block. Okay. So if it is part of try block only, that catch block will be reacted to that. Okay. But if it is not of the try block, then it is simply abnormal termination. Okay. You can say it will print runtime exception error and the program is abnormally terminated. It is not smoothly terminated. Okay.
Okay, got it, got it. It won't only 20 0 only if it
Yeah.
is there.
Yeah. So it's not about 20 by 0, 10 by 0. It's
That
about
means
the statements should be present in the try block. Then only the
try
catch
block.
block will be executed. The respective catch block will be executed. Okay.
Got it.
Abnormal termination, you can say. See, okay,
Yeah, got it.
okay. So do all the practice all these combinations, okay?
Yeah, sure.
As I always say, this is one of my favorite topic. Okay.
Yeah.
Now there are some methods to print exception information. Okay, so we'll see those. Okay, what are those? Okay, na?
Okay.
Various methods to print the first one is print stack trace. Sumant, I think yesterday you have asked, right? What is print stack trace yesterday?
Yeah, that
Yesterday or the day before yesterday. Okay. This method prints the this method prints the exception information in the following format. See, we'll see it practically, okay? Don't worry. Okay. First, name of the exception. Exception colon description of the exception, then stack trace. Okay, let us see. Okay, na? Someone okay, right? We'll see this.
yeah, okay.
Okay, so now this A is so this JVM will assign a implicit, JVM will assign a arithmetic exception object to AE. Okay, so the AE contains arithmetic exception. So the AE can call AE dot print stack trace. See, Sumant, okay? Okay, now.
Okay.
Now let us see, okay, what will happen, okay?
Okay.
See, you got it right. This print stack trace is printing this information. Am I correct?
Okay, information.
Yeah. So if you remove this, it won't print anything. So print stack trace is used to print the information. Okay, now. Okay.
Got it.
Now my question is. Now my question is. See, please try to remember this answer. Okay, not remember, just for our next question. Okay, because I need to relate something to that. Okay, please see. Okay, you have seen that someone.
Yes.
Now my question is, even though I'm not using print stack trace here, I will get the same exception information. See, you got it right.
Yeah, same.
Same, right? Then why? Why is it happening? What is happening internally? Any guess? Jayashri, any guess? Jayashri? Hello, Jayashri. Say yes or no?
Yeah,
Cheppu.
in this condition, it is stopping the flow, right?
Yeah, that is okay. My question is, here we are not using a.print stack trace anywhere, right? But why the same exception message is coming there and here? So who is printing? So,
Default exception.
yes, default exception handler. Okay. So yesterday I have told about DEH. What is that? Default exception handler. Okay. That default exception handler will invoke print stack trace internally. Okay.
Okay.
Exception handler will print, will invoke the print stack trace method internally. Okay. Then the same error message we are getting. Okay. That is the reason. Okay. Yeah. See, lot of cases will come, Sumant. Okay. If you keep on working on this, yeah, lot of cases. I will try to cover as many as possible. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Now we'll go back. Okay. Now. See, try to remember the string message. Okay. By zero. Okay. Now, yes. So first, leave about this exception handling and everything. I just have a question for you. What is happening if you print any reference variable? See, this is common for whole core Java. Okay. Suppose we have a student object, student obj equal to new student. Am I correct?
Yes.
I think, Sumant, I have told this concept in the beginning. Okay, what will happen if you print the reference variable or object name?
Address will print.
Address will print. That is correct. But what will happen internally? Okay, let me explain a small concept here. Okay, as the time came, just here let me explain some small concepts here. Okay, suppose if you have a class student, class student here. Okay, it has int id. Okay, string name. Okay, string name, and what else? Int id, string name. Just for temporarily we remove this code. Okay. So let me complete that concept and let me come back again. Okay. ID,
Okay.
and what else? Double AVG. Okay. So I'll have some parameterized constructor here. Student ID, string name. Double AVG. Okay. So what is the use of this keyword, Sumant, here? Hello? Hello, Sumant, are you guys? Guys, are you there? Hello, Sumant? Jeshi, are you there?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. So here, see, I'm just populating the values of the student class. Okay. I think he is not there. Then. He is. That's it. Okay, now if you print this obj, what will happen? Sumant, are you back? I think she's in the meeting or what.
Yeah, I think he is in meeting.
Okay, okay. So if you print this object name, what will happen? What will happen, Rishi? So if you don't know, I will tell. Don't worry. So if you print this object name, internally obj dot toString method will be called. Okay. What is that? Internally obj dot toString method will be called. Okay.
Okay.
So basically, if you see here, this internally, the student is a child of object class. Am I correct? Okay. And the internally it will be like this. Okay. Extends the object, something like this. Okay. Okay, like this. Okay, so if you don't use this line also, it will be acting like the same way. So it will check whether the toString method is there in this class or not first. Okay, first, if you call some method on the child class object, first it will check in the student class. Am I correct? It will check that it will check whether the toString method is there or not. Then it will go to the object class and it will check the toString is there or not. Obviously object class, the toString method will be there. Okay, so it will return the hash code. Okay, it will return the hash code. Okay, so if you see here,
Okay.
okay, in this we have a toString method. Okay, somewhere. Okay, see, if the hash code is there, yeah, definitely there will be somewhere toString method will be also there. Okay, yeah, see here, toString method will be there. Okay, now see, from this toString you are getting some hash code. Okay, so this is don't think much about this. They are giving, see, class name at the rate hash code. Okay, get class dot get name here at the rate hash code. Okay, now so
Okay.
so that's why you are getting hash code. Okay. So this is very, very important concept. Okay, like they will ask what will happen print the if you print the reference variable name. See, student at the rate hash code. Okay, hash code means that I used to tell that every time I used to draw one block diagram, no, in the paint. See, every block has some address, right? So the hash code refers to the address of the student object block in the heap. Okay.
Okay, so this 52cc is that address?
Yes, yes, exactly. Not exact address. Again, they will suppose they will get some address and they will decode that address. Okay, they will have some own algorithms. They won't give directly. For suppose if they have some address, that address suppose the address into 10. Some decoding they will do 10, and some they will use some
Okay.
secret keys, and so they will convert that address into some some hash code. Okay, this hash code is coming from the address only, but not that is not the exact address. Okay, so if they gave an exact address, then it will be a it will leak some issues, right? It's some hacking issues will come. Am I correct?
Yeah, correct.
So that's why they won't give the exact address. Okay, so that it will come under leakage of memory. I think leakage of memory. It will come under leakage of memory. So that's why they won't give you exact address. They will use some decoding, sorry, encoding algorithms, and they will give you some value. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
So now see, can now the concept is, can you do anything with this hash code? No, right? So there is no
No.
use, right? Yeah, obviously there is no use. So people, what they will do, they will just override this toString method, public string toString. Okay, what is that? They will just override in the student class. So you know the concept of overriding, right? Okay, this will return me some useful information, right? So return, as per your convenience you return. Okay, basically people will use toString method for this way. They will return all the object details, this dot id, space, this dot name, and plus this dot average. See, if you print now you will get some useful information instead of that base hash code. It's not waste, but yeah, for our programmer purpose, it's of no use, right? See, but if you get some information like this, it will be some use, right? Am I correct?
Yeah, correct.
So that is the thing. Okay, this is how people will override toString method. Okay, please remember, if you print the reference variable internally, obj.toString method will be called. If you override that, this will be our output. If you don't override, it will give you the hash code. Okay, please remember that point. Okay, yeah, let me document that. Yeah, just let me write in 2 lines. See, I am teaching this means there is a purpose here. See, here also this AE also that reference variable only. Okay, so this AE dot toString method will be called. Okay,
Okay.
okay, now. So this arithmetic exception, in arithmetic exception, the toString method is overridden. Okay, right? This is the AE dot toString, right? So this is not a student object. This is AE object. So in arithmetic exception, there is some toString method, or arithmetic exception parent is exception, right? Somewhere there will be some toString method. That toString method will be give some meaningful exception information. Okay. Okay. Let me. I will show you practically. Okay. Yeah. So now if you print reference variable internally it will call toString method which will return hash code of the object, which will return the hash code of the object in encoded format. Okay, don't think that is the exact address. Okay, see, if they gave exact address, some leakage will happen. Okay, some hacking issues will come. Okay, yeah, there is the encoded format. Okay, which will be okay. So, but if you don't want toString method to return hash code. Okay, you override that. Okay, in your own way. So overriding, right? That in your own way.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. Now this is the concept of toString method and printing the reference variable. Okay. Yeah. Now let us see. I'll copy this and you guys practice this after the class. See, now you can, I think now you can easily say, right, like what will happen if if you print the reference variable here. See, can you guess, like, Jayesh, what will happen now?
Some hash code address we will get.
No, arithmetic exception, correct, that is correct, but the toString method is overridden in arithmetic exception. Okay, if you see the arithmetic exception class,
we will get some meaningful messages.
yeah, even if it is not overridden here, and there will be the parent class, no, somewhere. Okay, this arithmetic exception parent is runtime exception parent is exception. Somewhere, see, first object is there, right? Object next throwable class, throwable next exception next runtime exception next arithmetic exception. Somewhere that the toString method will be overridden. Okay, so they will give you meaningful error message. Okay,
Okay.
Don't think where it is, but it's not our interest, but definitely somewhere they will override that. Okay, into a meaningful way. Okay, see, division by 0. Okay,
Okay.
like this it will come. Okay.
Okay, this like this you will get the error.
Sumat, where are you? Okay.
Sorry, like I got like internal call. I am giving my update. So
no issue.
But I was listening to you somewhat.
Okay, you listen, right? So what the whole concept is? See, if you see, I gave this example. If you print any reference variable internally, the toString method will be called. Am I correct?
Called internally.
So first,
like
so
extended the object and object.
Let me complete. Let me complete. So meaningful information. Yeah, if you want some meaningful information, if you want some meaningful information, yeah, if you want some meaningful information, please override the toString method. Okay, okay, Sumant.
Okay, if we won't override, then what message will get, like some random, like what it will return
Yeah,
some.
it will return the. It's not random. It will return the hash code. That's what I
yeah,
have shown to Jayashree. Yeah, earlier. Okay, okay, na? Okay. So to give them, so in the similar way, if you print the arithmetic exception object somewhere, the hierarchy in the hierarchy level, okay, somewhere they will override the object class toString method. Okay, in exception class or runtime exception or throwable or arithmetic exception, somewhere they'll override definitely. Okay, that's why we are getting this meaningful information. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, right. So that is about printing the variable. Okay. Suppose you remember this. Okay. Now, if you want to only this message alone, okay. Now use a dot get message. Okay.
Wow.
Okay. So you will
It
get
will only print
message
divided by zero.
divided by zero. Yeah, that's it.
These are internal methods for
Yeah, exception handling. Okay. So please practice these methods after the class. Okay. The concepts are going in depth. If you go in depth, coming concepts are coming here. This concept, this exception handling, very vast. I feel. Am I correct? Okay. Now we'll see. We have seen till now we have seen single catch block only, right? Am I correct, someone?
Yeah.
Now we'll see. Try with multiple catch blocks. Okay, now.
Yeah.
Okay. Now someone. What is the answer, someone? Can you please tell me? Someone, what is the answer now? What is this answer?
Exception came.
Exception came. No. Yeah. First, what will happen means first arithmetic exception will rise it, right? So if this is matching, then it won't execute the below catch blocks. Okay. So division by zero is invalid. Okay. So division is invalid. Okay. So you need to remember very important point. If you're dealing with multiple catch blocks, if you are dealing with multiple catch blocks, the order should be child to parent, but not parent to child. Child to parent. If you write parent to child, it's an error, compilation error. Okay. Child to parent. Okay. Okay. Now see
Suppose
here.
in first catch block you have written like
Yeah,
exception.
that's what I'm coming. That's what I'm coming. Okay, see here, automatic exception is child. Exception is parent. So it won't be an issue. But if you write reverse way, it is an error. Okay, that's it. Okay. So till now, lot of exams I have seen MCQs. Okay, they'll just give exception at the top and automatic exception at the down. Okay. So that is the compilation. The answer is compilation error. Don't keep anything, print statements. Okay.
Got it.
Got it, right? They wantedly they'll give this question. Okay.
Okay.
Can you explain it again?
Yeah, I'm saying, so whenever you have multiple catch blocks, the first matching will be printed. Okay, that's clear, right?
Yeah, that's clear.
See, this 10 by 0 will refer to both arithmetic exception and exception, because this exception is the parent of everything, so it will match to everyone. But the first catching block, first matching block will be executed. So if that is clear, I'm saying this order should be child to parent, not parent to child. Like, you're not supposed to keep exception at the first and arithmetic exception as the second. Okay, like, okay, like this.
Okay.
So if you see in a lot of exams, that tests, they'll keep MCQ test. They'll give this example. Okay, this one only. Lot of exams I have seen so far. And recently also one of the company called Acolyte Digital, I was writing Acolyte. Okay, they have asked me the same question MCQ. Acolyte, yeah, the same question. Okay, yeah, arithmetic. I think spelling is wrong or what? Yeah, see, he sees an error. See, it won't accept. Okay, because the parent at the top and change at the bottom. Okay, it is an error. Okay, compilation error. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So you practice this. You please try to very important. Okay, very important. Okay.
It should not be parent to child. If it is parent to child, we'll get the compilation error, right?
Exactly. Now. Sumant, is it a good practice, Sumant? This is it a good practice?
What good practice?
This the code which I have written instead of arithmetic exception, if you write exception, is it a good practice?
No, it's not a good practice.
Because you should specify which type of exception. Okay.
Exactly.
See, suppose if
exception
I have
means there are many exceptions.
yeah,
right? Yeah.
str equal to null. Suppose str dot length. Again, this one also the same exception block will be matching. Okay, that will be executed. But not it's not a good practice. Okay, so you have specific blocks actually. For arithmetic exception separate block, and for null pointer exception is separate block. Okay. Okay. Now. Catch.
Pointers.
See, Sumant, like this you need to keep specific exception. Suppose if you comment line 8, what is the expected answer here?
The 14th.
Yeah, 14th will come. So if I uncomment line 8, what is the expected answer here?
12 and 14.
No, only 12.
Only 12.
Only 12. Only one catch. That's what I was saying, Sumant. If there are multiple catch blocks, only one catch block will be executed. Okay.
Said I checked now, etla?
Yeah. Earlier I told it arithmetic exception. If there are multiple catch blocks, there also only one will be executed. Okay.
But here there are two examples. Like.
But see. But the thing is, after execution of line 8, wait, line 8, it will come to direct this catch block. Okay. There is no chance this exception will occur. Okay.
Okay.
So that's why
So if you want like many like we want to handle many exceptions, that means we have to write that many try
yeah, you should be more specific, right? See, the output should be in such a way that you should know due to which exception it is failing. You should know, right? That's what I was saying. Don't try directly exception E. Some people will say directly whatever the exception will come, they will write like this exception E, and they will just print some error message. But it's not the case. You should know which you should know your code is failing due to which reason. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, na? So this is about try with multiple catch blocks. Okay, you can if you try, there will multiple cases will come. Okay, na?
So in try we are writing some like three lines in which in 3 lines we will get the error only. That means, but only first line will be.
Yeah, that's what. See, if one
check
time,
for
if any point some runtime exception came, any exception came, it will directly go to the catch flag. It won't execute the below lines. That's what I have explained in one of the program. Am I correct?
Yeah. That's what,
I think
yeah.
Deshi, I have also Deshi wanted to answer. Yeah.
That time told off.
Yeah. So that's it. So today for today, I think we'll stop here. It's been 50 minutes, more than 50, 1 hour. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So tomorrow we'll see finally and the throws keyword. Okay. Today we have seen the flow of try catch, right?
Try catch and like
toString method.
Multiple catch and toString.
Yeah, multiple toString. Some good concepts we have covered today. Am I correct?
Yeah, without try we can write catch.
No, we can't write. That's tomorrow I will speak about all these cases. Okay. Again. Okay.
Okay.
I was thinking to complete, but the depth of concepts are coming. Actually, keep on coming.
Many things are coming.
Many things are coming. Yeah, fine. It's fine. Yeah. As long as you guys are, listening properly, yeah, it's fine.
You are telling exception handling, it is not ending because we have that much to tell in your mind for exception handling.
I have a lot of things in mind actually. Okay, and there is. I was trying to. I was a bit scared. I was scared because I need to tell in a proper way because I need to it should be in a 1, 2, 3, 4. Some order I should maintain. It's not like fifth concept. I can't keep at the beginning. Right. Yes. I'm making sure that I'm going in a proper order. Okay. Every time I was cross checking whether I'm going in a proper way or not. Yeah.
Got it.
See, first what we have discussed the middle action. Then we have checked and unchecked exception. Yesterday we have seen the DEH something. Right. Today we have seen try catches. Right. And tomorrow we'll see checked exceptions and finally block. Okay.
Okay.
I think two more classes required. Okay. Yeah, for exception handling, definitely.
Yeah, tomorrow and def tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow and def tomorrow we'll wind up this exception handling. Okay. So I've stopped sharing my screen. Yeah, now we need to see whether that వచ్చిndo ledo నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు recording.
చూడు ఎట్లా recording ఆగా అక్కడ
ఆపలేదు.